In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TikTok pixel to your Wix website. This process allows you to connect your Wix site with TikTok in a way that seamlessly tracks conversions and helps optimize your TikTok ad campaigns with valuable data. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Wix dashboard. It's the control hub for your website, where you can manage everything from layout to analytics, so make sure you're logged in. Once there, you need to access the Wix App Market. This feature is like the App Store for your Wix website, offering a range of tools and add-ons that can enhance your site's functionality. In the app market, type TikTok ads into the search bar and press enter. You will see an option for the TikTok ads app, which you'll click on. Now locate the add to site button and click it. By doing this, you're essentially installing the TikTok app within your Wix website, making it easier to manage your TikTok marketing. After adding TikTok ads to your site, go back to your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll find a new option in your main navigation menu, apps. Click on apps and then select TikTok. Once you're in the TikTok section, look for a button that says connect. Clicking this will initiate the linking process between your Wix site and TikTok. The next step is to log into your TikTok account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for this part. Once you enter the details and log in, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Authorizing this step ensures that Wix and TikTok can securely exchange the necessary data for your ad campaigns. Next, you'll be asked to select a TikTok Business Center and an ad account. This is where you determine which business profiles and ad accounts will be linked between the two platforms. Choose the appropriate accounts based on your TikTok advertising needs, and then simply click Connect. Now that the connection is set up, it's time to create your TikTok pixel. Pixels are tiny bits of code used to track user activity on your website. They are crucial for any effective ad strategy because they provide insights into customer behaviors. Go to the data sharing settings within the TikTok section of your Wix dashboard. Here you'll find an option labeled Create New. Click that to begin setting up a new pixel. With these steps complete, you've successfully integrated a TikTok pixel with your Wix website. This new setup will enable you to gain valuable insights into how users are interacting with your content, ultimately allowing you to fine-tune your marketing strategies for better performance. Thanks for following along, and with your TikTok pixel now up and running, you're ready to take your online presence to the next level.